Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about how to find freelance work. Focusing on companies that are now to hire freelancers can be a great way to start your search for freelance work. For example, these employees have posted to most freelance opening on FlexJobs. These are the list. Most common freelance career fields. As you can see from the freelance job listing on FlexJobs, a variety of companies, organizations, and government agencies hire freelancers. You will find work in almost every career imaginable, and the freelance jobs vary from small temporary projects to long-term full-time projects. These are the fields that hire the most freelancers: accounting and finance, administrative, writing, customer services, bilingual, computer and IT, information technology, medical and health, editing, HR and recruitment, education and training. These are the 10 most important fields that hire the most freelancers. Pros and cons of freelancing. Every job has pros and cons, and freelancing is no different. Being aware of the challenges can ensure you are prepared for them. Pros of freelancing: having control over your workload, the clients you work with, and your income is a significant benefit of freelancing. When you freelance, you are in the driver's seat. You determine what jobs to take on, which clients you want to work for, and your pay rate. Depending on your level of expertise, it is possible to work part-time hours but make full-time pay. Flexibility and remote work are also a perk. Most of the time, working on freelancing projects will involve working at your home office during the hours your own chosen. You will absolutely have deadline to meet, but you will decide when and where you work. Cons of freelancing: with the ultimate in control comes additional responsibilities. As a freelancer, you are a business owner and you need to stay on top of taxes, invoices, payments received, finding your own health insurance, and buying every piece of software and technology you need to complete your work. Feast or famine syndrome is another real downside to freelance. Some months you will be full to the brim with work, while the next month may be a ghost town. You may be relying on a consistent contracts with one client, only to find that suddenly does not need you anymore. Freelancing requires good money management and constant sourcing of new client. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video.